Will I get a job after doing robotics and AI engineering? What is the future of robotics engineering? Will AI take over our jobs in robotics? All these topics will be discussed in this video, and I am going to share my perspective. Everyone's perspective is different. So make sure that you watch the video till the very end. Also comment below AI and robotics if you are doing it. Let's get started. The very first point is, what is the future of robotics engineering? Robotics is not just started. It started way long back. Okay, now the specialization degrees are coming into the play, like automation and robotics, robotics and automation, AI and robotics. Okay, might be other branches as well, like robotics and intelligence. All those things have started as a specialization, but core branches including mechanical, computer, electronics, they were having further extensions into the robotics domain. But before 4 years, I started doing automation and robotics engineering in my college, and I was the part of first batch who was passed out in my college. So likewise, robotics engineering is not just started. It started, let's say, 5 or 6 years back as a specialization branch. Okay, but what is the future? The future of robotics engineering, I will say, is good. Okay, but no one can predict the future. Okay, are you getting it? Because with the advent of AI, it's very hard to predict what will happen in the future. You are seeing AI tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, Perplexity, and other AI agents as well. So these are changing the game, and the market is very, what can I say, not stable. Okay, because of the AI revolution, no field is going to be safe and secured. You have to be adaptive. That's what I think. Okay, but if you are looking for a particular answer, what is the future of robotics engineering, it's good. And again, don't only see the branch. Okay, because if you are doing robotics engineering, you are going to get the robotics job. That is not the case now. Okay, you are living in the era of skills, execution, adaptation. So the job only depends what value can you bring to the table for the company. We are going to discuss that point. But still, the future of robotics is good, but not limited to a particular branch. If you are doing robotics and automation, that doesn't mean you have become a robotics engineer. So you can take any branch. Okay, try to explore, work upon projects. I have created a roadmap video, you can check for that. But again, I am saying the future is good, but it is not only limited to a branch. If you are doing computer, IT, mechanical, anything, if you are still interested into robotics and AI, you can get into it. Only skill matters, not the branch. I am saying it clearly. And the next important point is, while choosing a branch, just see, is that going to stay relevant in the future, right? So because of AI, many things are going to automate. So just check out the things which you are learning. Are you learning the things which are going to get replaced easily? So you have to think upon that and make moves accordingly, right? So the second point is regarding, will I get a job in the field of robotics? This question is good. Okay, you should have this question in the back of the mind, but don't get this question at the every moment in your degree or else after degree, because at the end of the day, you are going to get the job only when you are adding some kind of value to the company. Let's say the company is hiring 5 people for the robotics position and thousands of applications are being submitted. So what's the ratio of getting the job? Okay, you can calculate it mathematically. The probability comes into play. That doesn't mean that out of 1000, let's say 200 people are serious. Okay, 200 people out of 200, let's say 100 have good resumes. Okay, which are equal, but still 5 people are going to get the job. Okay, so if you are not getting the job, that doesn't mean you are not valuable or else you have some kind of limitations. That is not the case. Okay, so job completely depends upon the part how you execute, how you learn technical things, and I will say non-technical things as well. Both of the things are very important. How you learn, how you showcase your skills, how you present, how you speak, because in order to crack the interview, you should know how to communicate. That is the most important thing. And if you are looking for a straightforward answer like, will I get a job after doing robotics engineering? You are going to get it, but only if you are adding some kind of value to the company, and also you are preparing for the job in a way, just not to get the placement, but in order to learn something. Okay, for you. Okay, again, the most important point is, Don't learn only for the job, learn for yourself, become a better version of yourself in terms of technical things and non-technical things, and then you are going to get the job. That's what I think. And I am not a kind of a person who will say in this video, okay, do these particular things and you will get the job. That's not going to help you, because everyone is having a different ability to learn, different skill set. So it depends how the company can become valuable by using those skill sets. And the job market is very different from the previous job markets. There is not going to be anything like stability, security. All those things, I think so, are not relevant in this particular stage, like with the advent of AI. Okay, I'm repeating with the AI thing because it is going to change the game, right? So that's the main part. Also about the salary point, what is the salary that I will get after doing robotics engineering? Okay, these questions are asked frequently in the comment sections. So the salary you can expect in India, like the average salary which an IT engineer also gets now. So that's the salary of a robotics engineer, average salary. And I will say the salary will depend upon your work as well, what kind of work you are doing. So that's the thing, and it depends upon the company as well. See, frankly speaking, robotics companies currently in India are very limited. The startups are coming, but the companies are limited. So jobs are going to be limited. That's the thing, that's the practical thing, you have to understand it. So that's the thing which is going to stay for the future as well. We don't know, that might happen, that may not happen, okay? But according to me, or else as per my perspective, I am saying, I am not claiming anything, but there may be good kind of jobs, and I think robotics is a good kind of domain because you get to explore a lot. Okay, I am a kind of a person, I like to explore. So if you are a kind of a person who likes to explore, then robotics is a good thing for you. So after 4 years, whether you are not getting a job or getting a job, that completely depends upon your skill set. And also everyone is not going to get the same job, right? Because the positions are 5 and the applications are 1000. So you have to understand this logic. Okay, so stay ready for it. The third important point is, will I get replaced by AI? Okay, or else AI will take over the robotics engineers or not? It will impact the software side, I think so, because software is evolving faster than we thought. Every day new news comes out, and there are many things happening with artificial intelligence, and combining it with robotics is going to be the next big thing, I think so. But still, I think so robotics is good with the AI advent, because we have the opportunity to make a right move. Like, I'm not saying the software will not get replaced, but you can focus on the hardware part more. And also, when you have the combination of both hardware and software, you have an edge when compared to others. So that's the thing what I think, but it's very hard to predict whether you will get replaced by AI for robotics. So it might be okay, I will say there is a possibility, but just like improving yourself all the time, learning new things. But on the learning as well, we have limitations, right? How we can learn all the things at once? Okay, we have limitations to learn as well. AI doesn't have any limitations. The most important point here is to adapt fast. So we should adapt the things very fast and implement them. Okay, adapt and implement. So that's the thing that will help, I think so. So these were the points I wanted to discuss, and this was the dark side of robotics. Okay, it's the like kind of thing I wanted to record for a very long time. There are many videos available on this channel. Make sure that you watch those particular videos. Just clear your doubts, and you can ask me in the comment section as well. Also reach out to me on Instagram or else LinkedIn. Till then, grow, learn and explore together.